Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fabulous fashion choices of the stunning Neha Shetty. Known for her impeccable style and unique fashion sense, Neha is a fashion icon who never fails to impress. So, let's get started and explore Neha Shetty's incredible fashion choices. The actress' casual looks are a perfect blend of comfort and style. Whether she's running errands or meeting friends for brunch, her outfits always exude a laid-back yet fashionable vibe. She loves to embrace prints, and this floral jumpsuit is a great example. The vibrant colors and the relaxed silhouette make it a versatile choice for various occasions. Pairing a classic denim jacket with a trendy crop top is one of Neha's go-to looks. It's effortless, stylish, and perfect for those casual outings with friends. Neha looked stunning in an elegant blue pre-draped lehenga designed by Pooja Rajgarhia Gupta. The ensemble beautifully combined Indo-Western elements with its chevron-printed black skirt and stylish asymmetric hemline. The bikini blouse featured delicate micro-pleats, matching the intricately embroidered drape gracefully draped over her shoulders. Complementing her appearance, she adorned a set of exquisite silver jewelry by Illuminate, adding a touch of radiance to her overall beauty. When it comes to red carpet events, Neha Shetty knows how to steal the show. Her glamorous ensembles are a perfect mix of elegance and boldness. Neha dazzles in this sequined gown, radiating glamour and sophistication. The figure-flattering silhouette and the intricate sequin work make it a show-stopping choice for any high-profile event. She proves that a sari can be a contemporary fashion statement. She effortlessly pulls off this modern, fusion sari with its unique draping style and bold color palette. Neha Shetty's street style game is on point. She effortlessly combines comfort and trendy elements to create looks that are both edgy and fashionable. She rocks the oversized blazer trend by pairing it with biker shorts. It's a perfect example of how she adds her unique touch to create a fashion-forward look. Athleisure is all the rage, and she knows how to nail the trend. She combines sporty elements like sneakers and joggers with chic pieces to create a stylish athleisure ensemble. Neha Shetty's fashion choices extend beyond just outfits. She also knows how to accessorize and experiment with makeup and hairstyles. She often opts for bold and eye-catching statement earrings that effortlessly enhance her overall appearance. Whether it's intricate chandeliers or oversized hoops, she knows how to make a statement with her ear candy. Layering necklaces is one of Neha's signature styling tricks. She combines delicate chains with chunky pendants or mixes different lengths to create a stunning layered necklace look. Neha often goes for a soft glam makeup look, with natural-looking foundation, neutral eyeshadows, and a hint of rosy blush. She completes the look with a glossy nude lip, enhancing her features while maintaining a fresh and radiant appearance. When Neha wants to make a statement, she reaches for bold lip colors. Whether it's a deep red, vibrant coral, or a sultry plum shade, she knows how to rock a bold lip and make it the focal point of her makeup look. Effortless waves are a go-to hairstyle for Neha. She often opts for loose, tousled waves that add a touch of bohemian charm to her overall look. It's a versatile hairstyle that works well with both casual and formal outfits. For a more polished and sophisticated look, the actress pulls off a sleek high ponytail flawlessly. It's a simple yet elegant hairstyle that adds a touch of sophistication to her red carpet and formal ensembles. The actress' fashion choices are not only inspiring but also provide valuable insights into creating a fashionable and personalized wardrobe. She encourages us to step out of our comfort zones and experiment with colors and prints. She shows us how vibrant hues and bold patterns can instantly uplift our mood and make a fashion statement. The actress proves that fashion doesn't have to be expensive. She effortlessly combines high-end pieces with affordable fashion finds to create unique and budget-friendly looks. It's all about finding the right balance and expressing your personal style. One thing that shines through Neha's fashion choices is her confidence. She reminds us that fashion is a form of self-expression and that feeling good in what we wear is the most important thing. Confidence is the ultimate accessory that can elevate any outfit. She loves to experiment with different silhouettes, from flowy maxi dresses to tailored suits. She encourages us to break free from conventional styles and try new shapes that flatter our body types and express our individuality. Attention to detail is what sets Neha's fashion choices apart. She believes that the little things, like accessorizing thoughtfully, selecting the right shoes, and paying attention to the fit, can make a big difference in creating a cohesive and stylish look. Neha's favorite fashion brands and designers that help shape her incredible style. The actress has an eye for exquisite fashion brands and designers who resonate with her personal style. Here are a few notable names that often grace her wardrobe. Neha has a special place in her heart for the renowned Indian designer, Sabyasachi. She often chooses his timeless ethnic ensembles for special occasions, as Sabyasachi's designs perfectly blend traditional craftsmanship with contemporary aesthetics. When it comes to high-end luxury, she loves to indulge in the iconic brand Gucci. Known for its bold prints, vibrant colors, and statement accessories, Gucci perfectly complements Neha's fearless and fashion-forward style. The actress also embraces high street fashion, and Zara is one of her favorite go-to brands. Zara's trendy pieces, affordable prices, and versatility allow Neha to experiment with different looks while staying on trend. SHR is drawn to the contemporary and quirky designs of Indian fashion designer Masaba Gupta. Masaba's unconventional prints, fusion silhouettes, and playful color combinations resonate with Neha's vibrant and unique fashion sense. For red carpet events and high-profile occasions, she often turns to the iconic French luxury brand Balmain. Known for its structured silhouettes, bold embellishments, and edgy designs, Balmain adds a touch of power and sophistication to Neha's ensemble. Neha is known for her fashion-forward choices and her ability to embrace the latest trends with ease. She is a fan of oversized blazers, which have become a staple in her wardrobe. Whether she pairs them with jeans, skirts, or even over dresses, the oversized blazer trend adds a touch of sophistication and structure to her outfits. She loves to make a statement with her sleeves. From voluminous puffed sleeves to dramatic bell sleeves, she adds flair and drama to her looks while keeping the rest of her ensemble sleek and balanced. Chunky boots have become a favorite accessory of Neha's. She pairs them with various outfits, from dresses to jeans, to add a touch of edginess and elevate her overall look. Chunky boots are both stylish and comfortable, making them a must-have for Neha. The actress embraces the monochrome trend with elegance and flair. Whether it's an all-white ensemble, head-to-toe black, or a vibrant color palette, she shows us how monochromatic looks can create a sleek and polished appearance. Neha isn't afraid to mix prints and patterns, showcasing her fearless and experimental side. She effortlessly combines different prints, such as florals with stripes or polka dots with animal prints, to create visually stunning and fashion-forward outfits. Neha looked enchanting in a vibrant yellow silk sari. The sari featured self-colored zari floral motifs arranged in a grid pattern across its body, creating a captivating visual appeal. Adding a delightful contrast, a pink border adorned with solid pittu detailing complemented the sari's pallu. She elegantly paired it with a gold zari floral work pink blouse that boasted short sleeves, enhancing the overall charm of her attire. Embracing the festive spirit, the actress adorned herself with a splendid set of antique gold earrings, a neckpiece, bangles, and a ring. Her hair was adorned with a white gajra, while her makeup showcased flawless HD perfection, accentuating her kohl-rimmed eyes, a graceful bindi, and subtle nude lips, further enhancing her innate beauty. The actress' fashion journey has been nothing short of remarkable. From her early days in the industry to her current status as a style icon, Neha's style has evolved and matured beautifully. In her early years, the actress' fashion choices were characterized by a fresh and youthful vibe. She embraced playful and vibrant colors, experimented with cute and flirty dresses, and exuded a carefree charm that resonated with her age and personality. As Neha's career progressed, her style evolved into a more chic and sophisticated aesthetic. She started incorporating tailored silhouettes, elegant gowns, and classic pieces that showcased her growing maturity and fashion sensibility. In recent years, the actress has embraced a more experimental and edgy approach to fashion. She began exploring unconventional silhouettes, bold prints, and unique accessories, showcasing her fearless attitude and willingness to push boundaries. Neha's fashion choices reflect versatility and timelessness. She effortlessly transitions between casual chic, red carpet glam, and street-style looks, showcasing her ability to adapt to different occasions while maintaining her signature style. Neha Shetty draws inspiration from various sources, including fashion icons, celebrities, and even different eras of fashion. She is captivated by the timeless elegance and sophistication of Audrey Hepburn. Audrey's iconic style, characterized by tailored pieces, little black dresses, and classic accessories, serves as a constant inspiration for Neha's own refined fashion choices. Rihanna's bold and fearless approach to fashion resonates with Neha. Rihanna's ability to effortlessly pull off avant-garde looks, experiment with different styles, and embrace her individuality inspires Neha to push boundaries and explore her own fashion boundaries. She admires Blake Lively's ability to seamlessly transition between red carpet glamour and casual chic. Blake's fashion choices, often characterized by sophisticated and feminine silhouettes with a modern twist, inspire Neha's own versatile and timeless style. The actress not only shines as a fashion icon but has also made significant contributions to the fashion industry through her collaborations and endeavors. She has collaborated with renowned fashion designers to create exclusive collections that reflect her personal style. These collaborations have resulted in limited edition pieces that embody Neha's fashion sensibilities and offer her fans the opportunity to embrace her unique style. She has lent her captivating presence to various fashion campaigns, becoming the face of renowned brands. Through these campaigns, she has showcased her ability to bring life and personality to fashion, inspiring others to embrace their individuality and express themselves through style. Neha has been featured in numerous fashion editorials, both in print and digital platforms. Her striking visuals and ability to embody different fashion personas have graced the pages of prestigious fashion magazines, offering inspiration and style ideas to fashion enthusiasts. The actress has a significant impact on the fashion choices of her followers. Her social media presence, where she shares her outfits, style tips, and fashion inspirations, has created a community of fashion enthusiasts who look up to her for guidance and fashion advice. Actress Neha wore captivating shade of purple, which happens to be this year's most popular color. She looked absolutely stunning in a mesmerizing ensemble designed by Deepthi, leaving us in awe. The Chandeli silk drape itself was a work of art, adorned with exquisite gold zari and pearl embellishments. The body of the drape showcased intricate buttons, while the border featured elegant floral motifs inspired by the regal Mughal era. To complement the drape, Neha elegantly matched it with a sleeveless blouse featuring exquisite hand-embroidered floral motifs adorning its alluring V neckline. The blouse's body, in contrast, remained elegantly plain without any embellishments. Completing her look, the actress adorned herself with a set of enchanting Jadau earrings, a neckpiece, a ring, and a set of bangles by Kishan Jewelry. Her hairstyle featured a mid-parted bun, and her eyes were enhanced with winged eyeliner, while a graceful bindi and subtle nude lips added the perfect finishing touches to her overall look. The actress considers it a wardrobe staple that can instantly elevate your look, whether you pair it with jeans, dresses, or trousers. Opt for a well-fitted blazer in a versatile color like black, navy, or grey. High-waisted jeans are a favorite of Neha Shetty. They not only flatter the figure but also give a modern and chic touch to any outfit. Neha suggests investing in a quality pair of high-waisted jeans that fits you well and can be styled in various ways. She believes in the power of statement accessories to elevate an outfit. Whether it's a bold pair of earrings, a statement belt, or a standout handbag, these accessories can add personality and flair to even the simplest of looks. And that brings us to the end of Neha Shetty's fabulous fashion journey. From casual chic to red carpet glam and street style vibes, Neha's fashion choices are a true inspiration. We hope you enjoyed exploring her incredible style with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.